Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, and it's April 18th. Hope you guys are having a great day. Tomorrow will be basically no report tomorrow, as the markets will be closed due to Good Friday, Passover tomorrow. So today it seems like we got a lot of the data kind of packed into one day, so we got a lot to kind of go over. So we'll jump right into it. Of course, we got the weekly jobless claims we get every Thursday. We'll start off with. Last week we had a great number, 197,000, broke below 200,000 for the first time in I don't know how long. Forecasters calling for it to go up again for 204, but it keeps dropping down to 192. So just like January, February, we thought that we saw maybe the bottom because it looked like it was rising. Now we're getting to even lower levels than we were previously. So these are some great numbers here in these jobless claims here. Fewer and fewer people are applying for unemployment. So obviously, that sounds like more people are finding work. We also got retail sales, which is kind of a big high impact data here. We had a drop in February, a drop of 0.2%. However, in March, forecast was calling for 1.1%, and it dropped even higher than that to 1.6%. Now, if you exclude the big ticket items like autos, we had, again, similar like the other one, we dropped 0.2% in February. But however, it was calling for a 0.7% increase in March, and it went up 1.2%. So a very good month for retail sales, and of course, as you'll see pretty soon, the stock market did like that a bit. We also got manufacturing in the Philadelphia region, which is the Philly Fed. We had 13.7 on the index back in March. Forecast are calling for a slight drop to 11, and it dropped much further down to 8.5% or 8.5. So obviously not as good of news in the Philadelphia region here. I believe we had New York region that came out and it came out decent. It showed improvement, but unfortunately, it looks like Philadelphia we showed a little contraction there. Now that we'll go to the market manufacturing, we got the manufacturing PMI flash. So it remained steady from March to April. It remained at 52.4. However, on the services side, market services PMI flash, it dropped from its 55.3 to 52.9. So anything above 50 on the anything above 50 on this type of index, it's showing expansion or optimism. It's still in positive territory, but however, it did drop quite a bit here. We got to kind of keep an eye on that and trying to pull back there. Business inventories, we had a nice increase back in March, and 0.8% increase, and April only went up 0.3%. Leading indicators show a little improvement. So for February, it's showing 0.2%. Leading indicators, and March shows a little improvement to 0.4%. So overall, decent numbers. Kind of low mix, but overall pretty good here, especially when you look at the jobless claims, look at leading indicators, look at retail sales. Some good numbers overall there. Let's take a look here, see how the market's coming along here. Now, the stocks did start off with more negative territory. However, Dow did go into positive territory. We are looking at Q1 corporate earnings. Nothing's really standing out so much right there right now. The investors will be watching as the Mueller report will be released to Congress later today. And last but not least, they did get a report out of Europe where it's both its services and manufacturing PMI dipped over there. So of course we've been concerned about this global economic slowdown. But and yesterday we had a nice day in China. China had showed some improvement in their data. But unfortunately today it looks like Europe is showing some more losses today. Let's kind of jump ahead, see how this is playing out in the bond market. Bond market's up 13 basis points. This will translate to better pricing today. We've been kind of going in a sideways pattern, and today we got a little bit of improvement here. We may see this continue, primarily because, like I said, we have a long week coming ahead. Tomorrow the markets will be closed. They may go to a flight to safety just to be urged to the caution, as a lot of things could pop up. And then treasuries, as we see, it did dip down a little bit. We were up pushing, I think, 2.59. Now we're down to about 2.55 right now on 10-year treasuries. So again, mortgage rates did show some improvement today. So and we'll watch to see if this continues or not. All right, you guys have a great long weekend here. Happy Easter, happy Passover, happy Good Friday. Enjoy Good Friday. Enjoy a long weekend here, and we'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.